Presenting the Logitech C270 HD Webcam in black color. The webcam comes with a 6-foot cable and user documentation included in the box. The product dimensions are 13.6 into 8.1 into 13.6 centimeters. The webcam comes with a universal clip that attaches securely to your screen or works as a stand on a shelf or desk. The clip can be mounted at different angles, making it adjustable. It is suitable for your laptops, PC or tablets as it is compatible with Windows, Mac and Chrome OS. The Logitech C270 allows you to do Full HD widescreen video calling. You can make HD video calls at 720p and 30 fps. The lens has a 60-degree field of view that covers a large area. The webcam comes with a built-in noise-reducing mic, allowing you to have clear video calls even in busy environments. With its HD lighting adjustment feature, the webcam automatically improves the warmth and balance of your image even in dim environments. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.